In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glassdoor like a pro. Start by setting up your account so the platform can work for you. Head to glassdoor.com and sign up. Complete your profile with your current or target job title, industry, and key skills. Add a professional, neutral photo and set your location to get personalized job matches and realistic salary ranges. A complete profile makes recommendations and insights much more accurate. Next, research companies you're interested in, search the company, open its profile, and scan the overall rating and CEO approval. Read the pros and cons and employee advice. Look for patterns across multiple reviews and prioritize recent posts for the clearest picture. Quick note, I've placed a direct link to the website at the very top of the description. And if you're on mobile, you'll also find the official app download link there. Now explore interview experiences. On the company page, open the Interviews tab to see common questions, difficulty ratings, and the process timeline. Use this to build a prep list, practice relevant stories, and plan your follow-ups. Evaluate culture to see if the day-to-day fits you. Reviews cover work-life balance, benefits, management styles, and team dynamics. Compare feedback from different roles and locations, since experiences can vary widely. When you're ready to benchmark pay, open the salary section. Filter by role, location, and years of experience. Note base pay, bonuses, and ranges, and compare across companies so you can negotiate with confidence. For job hunting, use advanced search. Filter by industry, company size, salary range, and location, and add keywords like remote, flexible hours, or internship to focus on roles that truly match your needs. Save your best searches and turn on email alerts so new openings land in your inbox right away. Being early in the pipeline can give you a real edge. Contribute to the community by sharing an honest, anonymous review, salary data, or interview story. You'll help others and may unlock premium insights for yourself. Finally, track opportunities. Keep a simple list of target companies, salary notes, interview tips, applications, and follow-ups so your search stays organized and strategic. Thanks for watching.